Hello, it's Jay here and welcome to another tutorial. Now, in the last video, I said we were beginning to set up what we've done so far, which we are going to do, but I actually have neglected to do the onGUI function for the splash screen. So we'll have to do that. But we'll begin with a little bit of setup. We're coming into the splash screen scene. We'll attach the script and we'll fill in the 3 slots in the inspector. So I'm just using a plain black background. And I've created 2 banners. So, with that done, let's come to the splash screen script. We'll scroll down to the bottom and just before the last closed brackets, we'll come in here and we'll say private void onGUI and we'll get the brackets in place. We're going to say GUI.draw texture, open and close brackets, close that line off, inside the brackets, new rect, open and close brackets again, we're going to say 0, 0, then we're going to say screen.width, screen.height. We'll come between the closed brackets, we'll say comma, underscore splash screen background, and then we'll break it up for commenting. So I'll enter here, here, and here. Get rid of that. So in the first line we'll just say draw texture and just our usual comments. So the next one will be at for starting at this position, next line by these dimensions, and draw the background texture. And we'll create a line break. We'll say GUI.color. It's going to equal a new color. So a lowercase c for this one and a capital C for this one here. And we have done this before. So we want 1 comma, and you can actually see how it's constructed if you've got the RGB, which we don't want to change, so we'll leave at the default value of 1, and then the alpha, which is the splash screen fade value. Let's get that into the comments. GUI color is equal to, just put 3 ones in there. You can put the RGB plus fade value, which is the alpha transparency. And again, we'll create a line break. So let's copy the draw texture line. We'll paste all that in. And we'll change what needs to be changed. So we'll actually break this into 2 lines. So the first 0 now will change to splash screen banner size offset divided by 2. Let's just copy that comment in. And we'll change it. We'll get rid of starting. So draw texture at this position. And that will be the width. And we want the splash screen banner size offset. And again, we'll tidy up and change the comment, this time for height. And the dimensions will be splash screen banner size width by the height. So let's get that in there. We'll tidy up the comments. That can stay how it is. What we are drawing though is the splash screen banner. And draw the banner texture. So let's just copy all of that. And we'll paste it in below. Draw texture. We want screen dot width divided by 2 minus, and then in brackets the splash screen banner size width divided by 2. And we've done this many times now when it comes to positioning things, so I'm just going to go through fairly quickly. Screen dot height minus the splash screen banner size height that will be the position, splash screen, and we want sub banner size this time for the width, sub banner size height by these dimensions, and we're going to draw the splash screen sub banner. I'll just move all of these in line for the UI, and we can save that off. We'll downsize that for now. We'll hit play. So let's have a look. So we are displaying the background as it is. Now we're getting this error, which will be fine. We can fix that. And it's just because if I come to resources, come to the options, we need to assign some values here in the inspector, which is what it's trying to do at the moment. But when the splash screen starts, obviously we have the launch manager. It also instantiates the options, the clone. So it's not going to work properly till we get these in place. But that's fine, the background's working. And we'll deal with all of this in the very next lesson. I'm actually going to leave it here for now. So, as always, I hope you enjoyed this lesson. I hope to see you next time. And until then, as always, bye for now.